Hello there, math magicians. It's time to keep practicing our math equations. I'm going to mix it up, some addition and some subtraction. Now, it's really important that you take the time to try to solve these problems. Now, you can use a number line. You've made those before. Or you can draw the dots underneath each equation. When you write your equations, make sure you put some space underneath the equation to draw your dots. I did not do that on my paper or on my board behind me. I just wanted to list the problems I want you to solve. You're going to first write them all down. I know that might take a little bit of time, so you're going to need to hit pause. After you write them down, you're going to solve them. Use those number lines. And if you need to make a new number line and you forgot how, go back up to the videos button and you can find that video. After you solve the problem, check your work. How do you know your answer is correct? Can you prove it? How do you know? That's the big question. All right, I'm going to show you the problems. Then you're going to hit pause. And then you're going to write them down, solve them, and then I'll tell you what the answers are. All right, you can check with me and we'll see if we're correct. All right, here we go. 12 subtract 9 equals 7 plus 6 equals 15 plus 3 equals 11 plus 4 equals 8 subtract 6 equals 9 subtract 9 equals 19 minus 8 equals, do you hear that? Sometimes I say minus, sometimes I say subtract. 12 plus 10 equals 12 added to 7 equals, sometimes you'll say plus or added. 6 subtract 5 equals 14 subtract 3 equals, and 10 plus 10 equals. Hit pause, write them all down, and solve them. Do not hit play until you're ready for the answers. And we're back. I hope you solved all of the problems. I'm going to go through each one and tell you what the answers are. 12 subtract 9 equals, the answer is 3. I hope you checked your work. 7 plus 6. Wait a second, I know that 7 plus 7 is 14. 6 is 1 less than 7. So it wouldn't be 7 plus 7. 7 plus 6 is not 14. 13. 15 plus 3 more. Ooh, I can actually count up 3. 15, 16, 17, 18. 11 plus 4 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8 subtract 6. This time we're taking it away. We're going to subtract. I can use my fingers. It's a tool. Your number line's a tool, and the dots are also a tool. 8 subtract 6. So if I did use my fingers for this, it would look like this. 8 subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. 9 subtract 9. If I've got 9 cupcakes and I take 9 cupcakes away, how many are left on the plate? 0. 19 subtract 8. Okay, oh my goodness. 19. Well, if I use a number line, I would start at 19 and go all the way back 8 jumps. Did you use a number line? Did you land on 11? 12 plus 10. Ooh, I know teen numbers are 10s plus a few more 1s. It's a 10 plus a few more. So here's the 10. I'm going to add that to 2 more. Even though I'm making it backwards, it's addition. We can go back and forth. So this is 10 and 2 more. That's 12. Here's 12 added together with 7. 12 plus 7 more. I can use my fingers if I need to. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19. 6 subtract 5. Okay, now 6 and 5 are really close to each other. They're next door neighbors. So if I've got 6, you can imagine maybe 6 toys, and then I just take 5 of them away. What would that be? Be 1. 14 subtract 3. 14. Let's go backwards on the number line. 14 subtract. So 14 subtract 3, that would be 14, 13, 12, 11. See what I did there? I counted backwards, but then I was also using my fingers to see how many I was going to go back. I'm going to go back 3. So start at 14, 13, 12, 11. 10? No, that's 4. 11. The last one is 10 plus 10. 2 groups of 10 make up the number. I hope you said 20. We all know that 10 plus 10 equals 20. Okay. Please take a picture of that work. Send it to me. I would love to see what your numbers are looking like. I don't see any backwards numbers here, and I hope you do not have any backwards numbers either. All right? Super important to check your work and make sure you don't have backwards numbers. All right. Let's practice. If we practice the right way, then we score the goal for addition and subtraction. All right, great job today.